The 2018 Ford F-150 LMX4 package. Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford, your off-road truck dealership in the middle of Kansas here in Salina, Kansas, bringing you another custom truck package that we do here at McArthur Ford. That's why it is called an LMX4 package. It's a nice sport package with some nice ads on it that I think you really like. So let's go ahead and get started and take a look at this package. Now, our aftermarket team here at McArthur does a really good job of coming up with some nice creations and some custom packages. And what they've come up with was a great package. The LMX4 package is kind of a sport package. We do also have an LMSE, which is more of a special edition package. It is that chrome package look. So we have two different looks, depends on what your style is. Now, both of those are going to be based off your XLT 302A equipment group. Now that is your luxury equipment group, giving you some great features. Now, if you want to go over all the XLT standard equipment as well as what's involved in that package completely, check out my video on our YouTube channel as well as on our website under the video library. You can go through and view that as well. Now I'm just going to cover some of the highlights and some of the things when you go to that 302A that you're going to be just a nice addition. Now on that 302A, you're going to get two different packages. You can get either the chrome package or your sport appearance package. We decided with the LMX4 to give that sport look to it. So you're going to see the body colored bumpers that's going to come with this, also body colored front fascia, fog lights, magnetic painted front grille. On the side, you're going to also get the magnetic painted steps bars over here, body colored door handles, also body colored bumpers on the back, standard with reverse sensing with rear view camera. We add a tailgate step to all these packages as well and help you get in and out of this truck since we are putting a different kind of lift on it. Also in the side of the bed, you're going to get your LED box lighting as well as the box link system. You're also going to get power sliding rear window with rear defrost from the factory as part of this package. Inside, you're going to get the front bucket seats that are going to also have the console and heated seats for those two outside seats. Sync 3. Third generation voice enhanced recognition system with the upgraded navigation system with the pinch and zoom capabilities, Sirius XM traffic and travel length as well. And then to just finish it off, twin panel moonroof with the power sunshade. So just a great finish to it and lots involved within this package. All these will also come with your 5.0 liter V8 engine. It's going to come with 395 horsepower, 400 foot-pound of torque with a 10-speed automatic transmission with select shift. So a great engine, great package that it just starts off from the factory, and then we ship it off to DSI in Kansas City. They're going to put a 2-inch Pro Comp level kit on this. So that level kit's going to bring it up, give it a nice stance and look. Also going to give you some clearance for some nice wheels and tires. Now let's talk about wheels. We did add these nice custom design wheel. They are a 20-inch XD Mammoth black alloy wheels, so we like the design, went with that with the LMX4 package. And for the tire there, you're going to have that Nitto Terra Grappler G2 all-terrain tire. It is a 305 55 R20 tire. Should be able to handle any off-roading that you want to put this truck through. Also, fender flares. Buchwacker brand painted to match fender flares. And not only did we paint the fender flares to match, but also the bolts are going to be powder coated as well. So they're going to have that black look to it and that sport look as well instead of the chromes, those bolts there on the side. Also, you're going to see the decals up there on top, the graphics that we added. Those are custom graphic that our aftermarket department worked with a local graphics company to come up with. So you're going to see that on the top of the windshield as well as on the side of the bed over here too. So real nice look to it as well. Inside, you're going to see a spray-in liner. It is a Rhino Liner Pro spray-in liner. We are certified Rhino Liner dealership here in Salina, Kansas, and so you're going to see the nice spray-in liner. We take off all the box link system as well as those brackets, as well as we take off the LED box lighting. We do that really good job on that and put everything back into place. So real nice job there on that. Also window tint. We do window tinting here as well, so that's going to be included within this package. So you're going to get the privacy glass from the factory here on these back windows and the back glass, and then front window tint that we do here in-house. Now on the inside, we also did some customization in here. Because the 302A equipment group comes with heated seats for these front seats, we decided let's get some custom leather seats in here as well. So we sent this off to Top King and had their designer series leather trim upholstery put in this vehicle. You're going to also see the stitching to match the color of the exterior. So take a look at these seats. They are carbon fiber on the bolsters here. Real great look with, in this case, the red stitching. So it's going to be to go along with the body. You're going to see the red stripe down the side for this this vehicle because it is red. That stripe will go along with the exterior color. And then you're going to have your LMX embroidering on those backrests. So all positions in the vehicle are going to have these nice designer series leather seats in here, even the seats in the back. Also, all-weather floor mats. They are WeatherTech brand, tray-like all-weather mats. They're going to be in the footwells here in the front seats, as well as the mat that goes completely across the back seat. Now this also gets a HybridTech recalibration kit, as well as a 4-wheel alignment done after everything was done on the lift, as well as the wheels and tires. Also, DSI is going to back everything they've done on the vehicle, the level kit and everything they put on it for a 3-year, 36,000 miles to mimic your bumper-to-bumper warranty. And then don't forget, from the factory, you also get a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty and roadside assistance. So really great package, and I like that it's really covered under the 3-year, 36,000 miles, either from Ford or by DSI. So great package. I think you'll really like it. Check out our website, lawmcarthur.com. They're in each one of our vehicles. You can check for availability, schedule a test drive. You can see pictures, as well as a 360-degree walk around. It's a VR experience, an inside as well as an outside perspective on each one of our vehicles. Check our off-road package inventory. It's right on the drop down of the new, so you can check out all of our current in-stock vehicles. These are rolling in really fast here. We ordered about 12 of these different trucks, so about 6 of the LMX4s are going to be available in different colors. So definitely take a look at our website and see what we currently have in stock. Also, you can look on our aftermarket page. We have more information of different accessories you can put on your truck as well. And so again, some nice customizations. If this is a package to kind of get your brain thinking, but you want to add something else, definitely get a hold of us. We can do anything we want. We really like to come up with some different custom truck ads for every customer. So I think you'll really appreciate working here at McArthur Ford. So again, check out our website. Also, if you have any questions, you can call or send us a text message at 785-378-5031, or you can call us toll free 1-800-874-6316. So I hope you enjoyed this video on this 2018 version of the Ford F-150 LMX4 package. As always, if you're watching this video on YouTube, you're going to get a free offer from us here at McArthur, and that's going to be free shipping to your door from anywhere in the 48 states outside of Alaska and Hawaii. We just ask you to finance a vehicle with us with one of our lenders, whether it be Ford or one of our other lenders. We have some nice national lenders with some low rates that I think you'll really appreciate. So great way to get the vehicle that you really want. If you like this custom truck, you can get it delivered right to your door, and it doesn't cost you anything in a way of shipping costs. So that's a great way to just reach out to us. Let us know you saw this video on YouTube so we can go ahead and give you that special discount, free shipping there for you. So also, if you have any questions, don't forget you can call or send us a text message at 785-378-5031, or toll free 1-800-874-6316. So again, thanks for watching this video. If it's the first time watching one of our videos, definitely hit that red subscribe button down below. That way you can get subscribed to our YouTube channel. I think we have some great Ford and Lincoln content you'll really appreciate, including some cool off-road truck packages that you definitely want to take a look at. Also hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified the next time we have a new video uploaded to our YouTube channel. So I think you'll appreciate some of that content as well there. And go ahead and hit that thumbs up right now. Let people know that you like this video. Really helps out the channel and helps out this video, and I really appreciate it. If you have any comments or questions, put them down below as well. And you can also reach out to me on social media. I'm at Tim Bartz on Facebook or on Twitter. I love getting that feedback and interaction. If you have any questions for me, reach out to me there as well. So again, thanks for watching this video. I hope you really liked it, and until the next one, we'll see you later.